Okay, we're going to step through how to find critical numbers for a function. And the function we're looking at is f of x is equal to sine squared of x plus cosine of x. And so we know critical numbers occur when our derivative equals 0. So the first thing we need to do is take the derivative of this function. And so we notice that for sine squared of x, this is going to be the chain rule. So another way to write this is sine of x squared. So that is the derivative of a function raised to an exponent is you bring down the